Tired of your bike looking dusty and dull? Or missing that showroom shine despite regular washes? Find the perfect solution with Motul E5 Shine Go. Designed to revive your bike's paintwork and varnish effortlessly. Follow these 4 easy steps for a shiny bike. Our silicone-based spray is ideal for fairings, plastics, dashboards, mudguards and crash bars. See instant results. Its unique formula protects and polishes, enhancing the colors of plastic, carbon elements, paintwork and varnish. Restore your bike's shine effortlessly with Motul Shine Go. Order now.